I've been using the Beanstox app for a while now, and this is my honest, unbiased review. I'll walk you through everything, the main features, pros, cons, and what you should know before signing up. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether Beanstox is right for you. Beanstox is an automated investing app designed to make building a personalized portfolio simple and stress-free. It follows Kevin O'Leary's philosophy: keep it simple, keep investing, and stay diversified. Once you set up recurring deposits, the app takes care of the rest. Whether you're saving for retirement, building long-term wealth, or just looking to earn more on your cash, Beanstox offers account types to match your goals. The Wealth Builder account creates a diversified ETF portfolio based on your risk tolerance. Power Savings invests your cash in T-bill ETFs, which can earn significantly higher returns than a regular savings account. And the Stocks 500 option lets you invest automatically in an S&P 500 ETF, giving you exposure to 500 of the largest US companies with almost no effort required. You can start investing with as little as $20, which makes it beginner-friendly and great for anyone who wants to build good financial habits early. Beanstox offers 3 subscription tiers: simple, free, for basic investing, plus $5 a month, adds personalized portfolios and extra tools. Premium $10 a month includes tax-advantaged IRA accounts and detailed insights. All plans come with monthly market updates, educational materials, and automated tools to help you stay consistent. Security is also a key focus, with SIPC protection up to $500,000 in bank-level encryption to protect your data. While Beanstox doesn't support individual stock picking or day trading,